Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can unzip a file in Google Drive, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in Google Drive and I have my zip file right over here, and if I right click it, as you can see, I have no option to unzip it. Rather, if I go open with and click zip extractor, it could extract the zip to some other space that is not my Google Drive, or it could create a new folder in my Google Drive. I'm not exactly sure. But that is pretty much it, and as you can see, there is no official way to extract it. If I click zip extractor, it's going to work, and it's going to explain how to use zip extractor. Let me just authorize it just a moment, and I'm going to select this account, click continue, and click allow again, and now it is authorized. It's checking the file, and as you can see, it is unable to open up the zip file. For some reason, there is an error. However, your zip files should be extracted somehow to your drive with this. I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen, but I'm pretty sure it's not able to extract it fully. Now, what you can also do is go to your device if you're on Android or on any mobile device, open up your files with Google, and then go to the folder where you have your zip file and extract it to your device just like that. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.